Hello the Internet and welcome to another fast school holiday video workshop with the CNRL Library Innovation Studio and Library Children's Services. Today we're going to show you how to make some festive snowflake decorations that you can hang on your Christmas tree, up against a colourful wall, or anywhere you like around your home. For this workshop all you're going to need is some paper, a pair of scissors and some thread to hang your snowflakes up with. Okay, let's get started. First of all, get your sheet of paper. We're going to use any old sheet of paper that you like, but we need to make it into a square, and there's a very easy way of doing that. Just take one corner, fold it down into a triangle, just like that. And then we're going to cut this bit off that doesn't have any paper folded onto it. It doesn't have to be super neat, and you can keep that bit of paper to make a smaller snowflake later on. Now, unfold it again. We're going to fold it into a rectangle, and then fold it again so it makes a smaller square. Now, hold it by the point at the bottom. You should have the full fold on this side, two folds on this side, and the rest on the top is just lots of loose sheets of paper. And we're going to cut a curve from here to here, so we end up with a circular snowflake. So start quite near the corner and just cut around like that. And those bits can go in the recycling. Now, you don't have to unfold this, but if you do, you should see you've got a pretty good circle. That's very handy. Now fold it up again, and we're going to fold one more time, so we've got a bit of a pizza slice. And if you like, you can fold one more time again, which I might actually do. There we go. Now, it's just a matter of cutting out interesting shapes from your little slice of pizza. Just don't cut all the way across, otherwise you're going to have only half a snowflake. So I'm going to start with some triangles on the side. There we go, that's the first bit done. Pull that out. This bit goes in the recycling. Hang on to this bit. And you don't have to just cut triangles, you can cut squares, just make sure you leave a little bit of a gap there. Now I'm going to snip the end off, so I have a hole in the middle of my snowflake. And I'm just going to take something off the top so it doesn't have a completely circular edge. And cut a bit more out here. I'm going to do a bit of a semicircle and do a couple more triangles here. I do like doing triangles. You don't have to do as many triangles as I do. Okay, let's unfold this and see what it looks like. Now, you can make lots of snowflakes, but don't forget, you've got this little piece left over. You can make this into snowflakes too. Just do the same trick. Fold it into a triangle, cut the excess off, so you can make a smaller snowflake out of this piece. Okay, now get your thread and get your snowflakes, and just put the thread through one of the stronger looking holes and tie it with a very gentle knot. It doesn't have to be strong, it just needs to hold together, because these are just going to go decorating on your tree or to be hung up somewhere. And you could hang this up just like that if you wanted to. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to hang a small snowflake underneath my large snowflake, just for a bit of fun. Let's see, that looks like a nice one. And again, just a very gentle knot. Now, especially with your smaller ones, you can even arrange these in a chain. So you can have a chain of snowflakes hanging on your wall or hanging on your tree. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed this workshop. We hope you enjoyed decorating your house, and keep an eye out for the next fast school holiday video workshop.
How we made the paint, so we're using that. Citric acid or just a lemon.
What do you think will happen this time?
More magic. What do you think, kids? Will it be green again? Ooh! Oh, I love it! Yeah, really good effect.
And it was so much fun.
Yes, so have a go.